All right, let's talk about something that could genuinely flip the world of software development on its head. It's called Google's Antigravity IDE, and it paints a picture of the future that looks, well, radically different from how we build software today. Let's dive in. Right now, we're all pretty used to AI in our workflow, right? I mean, tools like GitHub Copilot are fantastic. They're like a helpful buddy riding shotgun, suggesting code, finishing your thoughts. They just help you get things done faster. But imagine a huge shift. What if instead of just helping you navigate, that AI partner could actually take the wheel, read the map, and drive to the destination all on its own, all based on you just telling it where you want to go? That's the enormous leap we're talking about. So we are moving way beyond just simple assistance here. We're talking about something much deeper, a true autonomous development partner. And this is it, Google's Antigravity. It's an IDE, an integrated development environment built for what they call an agent-first era. Now that keyword, agent-first, that is everything. It's a complete reimagining of the developer's relationship with their tools. Okay, so what does agent-first actually mean in practice? Let's break down why this is such a revolutionary idea. An agent-first architecture means the entire system is designed around these autonomous AI agents. Now, these aren't just tools that react when you type something. Nope. They are proactive. They can take a really high-level goal from you and then manage the entire workflow themselves, from planning the steps to writing the code, running tests, and even fixing the bugs they find. And this just nails the difference. Your current AI assistant is reactive. You type, it suggests something. It's very line by line. An autonomous agent, though, is proactive. You give it a big chunky goal like, hey, build a collaborative to-do list app with user accounts, and it just goes off and executes the whole shebang. So this all sounds pretty wild, right? But how does it actually work? What does it look like when a developer sits down to use a system like this? Well, Antigravity gives you two main ways to interact with it. First, there's the editor view. This is going to look super familiar. It's based on VS Code, so it's perfect for when you want to get your hands dirty and write some code yourself. But the real game changer is the manager view. You can think of it as your own mission control center. It's where you direct and keep an eye on your AI agents. So what does one of these agents actually do? Well, it gets a goal from you. Then it makes a detailed plan and starts coding. After that, it actually tests and verifies its own work. And if it finds any problems, it debugs and refines the code all on its own. It's a full closed loop. The reason it can pull all this off is because it has direct control over the entire development environment. We're talking the code editor, the command line terminal, and even an integrated web browser, so it can literally see and interact with the app that it's building. And the engine driving all of this is, of course, some serious AI horsepower. It's primarily powered by models like Google's Gemini 3 Pro, but it's designed to be able to plug into other advanced models too. It's incredibly capable. Now, all this sounds amazing, but it also raises a gigantic question. I mean, if an AI is doing all of this work by itself, how on earth do you trust it? How do you keep it from going off the rails? This is absolutely the number one concern for any developer. Handing over control is one thing, but flying completely blind is another. You need visibility. You have to be able to verify the work. So Google's answer to this is a really clever concept they call artifacts. Instead of just dumping thousands of lines of raw, unreadable logs on you, the agent produces these clean, verifiable deliverables at key milestones. It is designed from the ground up to build your trust. So what are these artifacts? Well, they're things like the AI's detail plan, so you can see its logic before it even starts. They're before and after screenshots of the user interface, so you can visually confirm changes. And maybe the most impressive thing? They're actual browser recordings, like little videos of the agent using the app to verify its own work. And this is not a one-way street. You can give feedback right on these artifacts. See a screenshot you don't like? You can just leave a comment, kind of like in Google Docs, and the agent will take that feedback and use it in its next attempt. You are still firmly in the driver's seat. Okay, so if the AI is handling the planning, the coding, and the testing, what's left for the developer to do? And this brings us to the biggest implication of all. What is the developer's new job description? The fundamental change is right here. The developer's role moves away from the tactical, in-the-weeds work of writing code line by line, and it moves toward the strategic work of defining goals, reviewing plans, and guiding the whole project.
I think the best way to think about it is this. For years, a developer has been like a highly skilled musician, playing their instrument perfectly. In this new world, you become the conductor. You have an entire orchestra of AI agents at your command, and your job is to lead them to create a beautiful symphony.
Look, this technology is definitely still in its early days, but it presents a really clear vision of the future. A future where developers become conductors, orchestrating AI agents to build amazing things. It's a huge shift, and it asks every single one of us a pretty important question. Are you ready to be the conductor? Thanks for joining me.